Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Canva versus Excel. We will explore their core functionalities, highlighting where each application truly shines. Understanding their distinct strengths will help you decide which tool is best suited for your specific tasks, whether you're creating stunning visuals or crunching complex numbers. Let's dive into the details of these two popular software solutions. Canva is your go-to for all things visual, offering an incredibly user-friendly experience. With thousands of pre-designed templates, from social media posts to presentations, you can create professional-looking graphics in minutes. Its intuitive drag-and-drop interface and extensive library of elements, including millions of stock photos and icons, empower anyone to design without needing advanced skills. Excel, on the other hand, is the undisputed champion for data management and analysis. It can effortlessly handle massive datasets, often managing millions of rows and thousands of columns. You can perform complex calculations, build intricate financial models, and generate insightful charts and pivot tables, making it indispensable for budgeting, tracking, and detailed numerical reporting. Ultimately, the choice between Canva and Excel depends on your project's objective. If your goal is visual communication and design, Canva is superior. For robust data analysis, calculations, and organization, Excel is the clear winner. Remember, these tools can also complement each other. For instance, you might export data from Excel to create compelling infographics in Canva. Choose wisely based on your needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.